channel. So today's another what's in my box video. I have the new FabFitFun Summer box right here for 2019 that is available right now. So I'm going to show you guys what's in my summer box. This video is in partnership with FabFitFun. So in case you guys are new to FabFitFun, how it works is you can sign up online to become a member. For $49.99 each season, you'll get a box full of 8 to 10 different products that are full size with a value of over $200, which is what I love. I think it's my favorite thing about this box is that you don't get sample size items, you get full actual sizes. With that, each season you get to customize some of the products in your box. You can also add add-ons if you want to. You'll get different products from beauty, fitness, home, wellness, and all types of different products in between. I will have a code that you can use to get a discount off your first box. So if you want to see what's in my box, stay tuned. All right, so let's just go through it. So first off, I have this Grace & Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This is what the box looks like. Let me just open it up. This is probably something that's gonna be good for summertime in the heat when you wanna just do a refresh. Feels good. See what I told you about all the full-size products? Smells really nice, just like a rose. It says mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face before or after makeup and then reapply as needed throughout the day. All right, next up we have this Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Oh my goodness. I've never had a foot mask before, but if you have seen my stories, I talk about how I like pretty feet, smooth feet, so I feel like this is gonna be something that I'm gonna love. So this is what the bottle looks like right here. So this one says it exfoliates, it smoothens, and it softens, it adds intense hydration, it has coconut milk and verbena. So all you have to do is use it at bedtime, apply it to your feet, and you just let it dry and go to bed and wake with softer feet. I like that idea because I just want to be able to put something on my feet that's not going to be like too sticky and oily and things like that, and then wake up with hopefully smooth feet. So I just want to try it. Ooh, ooh. I like a jelly. Oh, I put a little too much. I like that it's not thick and like a heavy cream, but I expected it to be that. So it's nice that it's like a gel. So I feel like it's just gonna like dry up really nice and absorb into your foot. All right, what's next? This one is by Sol de Janeiro. Fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. It's the Bum Bum cream. Oh, I like that. This is a real summer box because it smells like summer. So it's like a cream, just like that. Let me try it on my other hand. Feels really nice. Oh man, this smell is so good. Anyway, I have seen this on Instagram a lot, the Bum Bum cream. So I'm interested in trying it out, especially because it's probably gonna be in the bikini now that we have a pool. All right, ooh, shower cream gel. I love a good shower gel because I take a lot of showers. So this one's also by the same company, Sol de Janeiro. This one is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. So I know we're more used to like gel types of shower gels when we shower, but this one's gonna be more creamy. So probably, I'm assuming more for like hydration and moisturizing. And I hope it smells like what I just smelled. Oh, yes it does. So yeah, it's definitely a creamy type of shower gel. So I am definitely using that. You guys, when I tell you the smell smells so good, Sol de Janeiro, such a good smell. I've never smelled any of their stuff before, but I just love it. All right, next up we have, oh, Invisibobble. I like these colors, clear and like a nude color. So if you guys aren't familiar, these are the creaseless ones so that when you tie your hair up, it won't have any creases or anything like that. So it's always good to have these around. I always have them in like my purse. Now we have Intelligent Nutrients. It's plant stem cell science. It's a refining micro polish. So I'm assuming it's for your face to kind of exfoliate and polish your face. Sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores. This is what that looks like. So you apply it to your damp face and neck and massage gently to exfoliate dead surface cells. And then you rinse it off and you pat dry. So it comes out like a white little creamy thing, and then I can already feel the little like beads in there that kind of really exfoliate your skin, which is nice. Always love a good exfoliant. You should be exfoliating your skin if you're not already. I like a good exfoliator just to remove all the dead skin from my face. All right, moving on, we have this eyeliner. It's an I Do liquid eyeliner. This one is by Ico. What the box looks like, and then we'll see. This one's waterproof in the color Carbon Black. So let's do some lines. Ooh, look at that, pretty precise. All right, what's next? So this one's from Generation Clay. I love a good clay mask, but this one's a brightening purple clay mask, which I also do love brightening. I'm huge on brightening things. Like I like a bright face. So with the clay mask, I always kind of associate it with just like pore cleansing and things like that. But this one is for brightening. It's gonna refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. It says to apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait 10 minutes, and once the mask starts to tighten, use water to rinse off. All right, so I'm assuming it's gonna be the color purple since it says ultraviolet. A purple clay mask. Okay, Jennifer Zuner jewelry. I have had Jennifer Zuner jewelry before and I loved it. So let's see what's in here. Gold, I see gold. Oh yes, stars. It is a necklace, I believe. So it's like a 2-layer chain necklace with 2 stars right here on the side. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it's gonna look like. Just really delicate, really pretty. And this is nice because you can easily wear this with a lot of things in your closet. It's not too crazy or like too specific. All right, and then the last thing we have is by 111 Skin. It's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So it's gonna be those sheet masks, which I prefer over, you know, just like the other basic masks, just because it's easier to clean up. So it's supposed to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin, and then the 24K gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. So I have used a gold mask before and it worked wonders for brightening skin. So would love to see how well this one works. And this one is a 20-minute mask, so you leave it on for 20 minutes. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at what is in my FabFitFun Summer Box for 2019. Don't forget you can customize some of the items, so if there's some of the things that are in here that you want in your box or you want to switch out, you may be able to do so, and also do some add-ons if you want. Again, I will have a link for you guys in the description box below, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in FabFitFun. I will also have a discount code for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for spending your time with me. Before you leave, subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram if you want daily outfit inspirations. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.